Hello everyone, I'm Stella. Today I want to introduce about the consolidation and the customer declarance service. First, let's talk about why the customers need a consolidation service. Because some customers, they have many kind of products, they want to ship them together and so to save the money. Another one is the other customers, they may need some private services, like they will send the products to our warehouse, we will help him repacking, labeling, doing some customized packages. Some customers, they would like to do a product inspection before sending out. The third one, I want to talk about the customer declaration. There are two situations. They may need formal or informal customer declaration services. First, we are talking about the informal customer declarations. In this way, the customers will give all the products to their shipping agent, and the agent will help him declare the customers and also pay the taxes, the customer clearance. The whole process is handled by his shipping agent. So it's more simple for customers because he don't have to handle all this stuff by himself. For formal customer declaration services, the customers first need to send the money directly to the China import and the export company account. It must be a company account to receive your money, and later he will declare the customs with this export company's names. This you can also ask the suppliers to help you doing the customer declaration. But if you have many kind of products, the sellers may not willing to help you consolidate all the items. For example, I want to show you how we do this with the consolidation and the customer declarance services. First, we receive your money in our bank account. Then we will arrange the deposit to each suppliers and communicate with them for all the details. And after that, we will consolidate different products in our warehouse and also help customers to contacting with the logistic shipping companies to pick up the cargoes, and we help with the customer declaration services to export all the products with all the details. After consolidating all the products, we will provide a product list to customers, and also we will prepare for the files like a packing list, invoices, and a contract. For all these files, they are ready to give the shipping agent. For some countries, before they sending out the money to us, the bank may require them to provide the contract with all the product details before sending the money. And after that, after we receive the money, we will prepare the goods according to your contract. So if customers use informal customer declarance, everything is simple for him. But if you are a big company and you need everything to officially, you may need a consolidation services to help you consolidating and declare. A company like us, not just me. Also, I'm working with my accountant for all the customer declarance details. We work together so that we will avoid many mistakes.